Really quick video today, guys. I took just a little bit of this, some aluminum scrap I had in a bucket, and a piece I had from a previous casting, and I made these really quick. Whip these up for gifts for family members. Everybody's up for the holiday, and I just literally took some seashells and put them in the casting sand. And I really quick, you know, I'm not even cutting off the base, but that makes an awesome paperweight. Here, this was a little dragon rubber stamp. I think you can still get the idea what's there. I didn't have any talcum powder, so it didn't come out as perfect as it should have. This is my favorite. That is absolutely beautiful. So I just really quickly cast some paperweights, and this is going to be a bullion form that I'll be using for copper, brass, and aluminum bar stock for the future. Got some rubber stamps on the weekend from a garage sale. This shell didn't have a lot of features to it, but it did come out. So really cool, really cute little paperweights. I just really quickly whipped up using the furnace today for gifts for the family.